Hello, are you ready to read?
Oh, yeah.
All right, don't be shy. I want to hear your big voice.
Hi, boys and girls. We are going to be working on our sight words today. I am going to be flipping through these charts. You will be reading them out loud, and then we will read them together. Your first word is to. Am. A. Like. The. You. It. In. At. Is. And I. How many of you guys were able to remember all of those words? All right, we're going to go back to our screen and do them again. Is everybody ready? To. Am. A. Like. The. You. It. In. At. Is. And I. I think we are ready. We will know these by the end of our week, which is what we need for kindergarten. Good job,
Hello,
everybody.
are you ready to read?
Oh, yeah.
All right, don't be shy. I want to hear your big voice. Here we go.